In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from one PayPal account to another. Whether you're helping a friend out or simply transferring funds to a different account of your own, this easy process will take you through it step by step. To start, navigate to the PayPal website by entering www.paypal.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the Login button. This is your next click. On the login page, you'll need to enter your registered email address and your password. These are the credentials you set up when you created your PayPal account. After typing them in, hit the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll arrive at your account homepage. This dashboard provides a snapshot of your recent transactions and available balance. Look for the Send and Request option at the top of the page and click on it. This will direct you to the page where you can send money. In the text field provided, enter the email address or mobile number of the person you want to send money to. Double check this information to ensure accuracy because it's crucial for the transfer to reach the intended recipient. Next, specify the amount you wish to send. You'll also need to select the currency for your transaction. PayPal supports multiple currencies, so make sure to choose the correct one. Moving forward, you have the option to add a note or purpose for this transaction. It's a good practice to include a brief message explaining the reason for the payment, as this can be helpful for both you and the recipient for future reference. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Next. You'll then be prompted to select whether this payment is for goods and services or for friends and family. For personal transactions to people you know, select for friends and family to minimize fees. After making your selection, click Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose your payment method. You might have options like using your PayPal balance or a linked bank account or credit card. Again, choose the option that suits your current needs best. Before finalizing, review all the details of your transaction. It's important to double check everything to ensure that the recipient's information, the amount, currency, and payment method are all correct. Finally, click on Send Money Now or the equivalent button to complete the transaction. You'll soon receive a confirmation that the money has been sent successfully. This confirmation might also be emailed to you for your records. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money from one PayPal account to another. Follow these steps anytime you need to make transactions, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials.